Good afternoon, students. In the today's class, let us discuss how to perform the limit test for chlorides in the lab. Let me tell you the definition of limit test. Limit test is defined as quantitative or semi-quantitative test designed to identify and control small quantities of impurities which are likely to be present in the substance. Here we have seen semi-quantitative test. That means the quantity of the impurity, that is either it may be chlorides, sulfates, iron, arsenic or heavy metals present in the given sample is below or above the limit we are finding out by this method. Coming to limit test for chlorides. The principle involved in the limit test for chloride is based on the simple reaction between silver nitrate and the soluble chloride in the presence of dilute nitric acid. In this reaction, silver chloride is formed. The silver chloride produced in the presence of dilute nitric acid makes the test solution turbid. The extent of turbidity depends upon the amount of the chloride present in the substance. If in the substance less chloride is present, less turbidity is produced. If more chlorides is present in the substance, then more turbidity is produced in the solution. The opalescence or the turbidity produced in the test solution is compared with that of the standard opalescence produced by adding the same volume of silver nitrate and the nitric acid. As used in the test solution. But the amount of the chloride present in the standard solution is known for us. Coming to procedure, before starting the limit test for chlorides, wash all the apparatus, either it may be glass rod, pipette, Nestle cylinder, with the distilled water, because distilled water is free from all the impurities. Then label one of the Nestle cylinder as test and the other as standard. To the test Nestle cylinder, add 1 ml of test solution or the sample solution. To the standard Nestle cylinder, add 1 ml of 0.05845% weight by volume solution of sodium chloride. To both the Nestle cylinder, now add 10 ml of HNO3. Then make up the volume up to 45 ml with distilled water. Finally, we have to add 1 ml of silver nitrate to both the Nestle cylinder. Then make up the volume up to the mark with the distilled water. Keep it aside for 5 minutes and observe the opalescence or the turbidity under proper background. If the opalescence or the turbidity from the sample is less than that of the standard opalescence, the sample will passes the limit test. If the opalescence from the sample is more than that of the standard opalescence, then the sample will fail the limit test. Coming to role of the reagent, dilute nitric acid is used to prevent the precipitation of other acid radicals with the silver nitrate, and one more reason is to make the medium acidic. And the students will make mistakes. Commonly made mistakes by the students are they won't make up the volume properly, or they will use glass rod while make-upping the volume. Please remove the glass rod while make-upping the volume. Stir the Nessler cylinder properly before observing the opalescence or the turbidity, and before pipetting test or the standard solution. Please label and always the opalescence or the turbidity or the intensity of the color in the test solution should be less. That students has to keep it in mind. They will get confusion during exam time.